of 16,000 days of service to the people in the state of Indiana. You've set the tone and the standard for the state of Indiana in your public service. And with that, I want to award you and give you the Meritorious Service Medal from the State Fire Marshal.
1999 to present. City of Fishers Department of Fire and Emergency Services. Hired as the first Division Chief of EMS. Grew the advanced life support system from one unit providing ALS to a service that now provides ALS on 14 apparatus and employs over 150 EMTs and paramedics.
I've been here for the better part of 15 years, and I've known Chief Davison since I was an intern. And his passion for his work in EMS and for this community was there through all 15 years. And it's been extraordinary to watch him develop and progress this organization and this department to provide what I think is the utmost service in emergency medical care that any community in the state of Indiana and perhaps the region could possibly have. Steve in his time has been an innovator. He's been a collaborator. He is known not only within the city of Fishers, but he's known within Hamilton County and throughout the state as someone who wants to work and help other departments progress along their journey so that we can ensure that in people's hour of need, that our men and women are the most professional, the most competent, and the most capable to help bring about a good outcome. You know, Chief Davison, I think the best testament you could say about an individual's career is, did they help people individually and did they help people systemically? And Chief Davison, from his time in Marion County, responding to 911 calls on the ambulance back then. I think it was a station wagon, I think, Chief, was it not?
Horse.
Yeah, horse and buggy. He was there in an individual's hour of need, and then when he came here and he took the role of leadership, he set about creating a system and putting an organization in place that can have a broader impact than he himself can have individually. And I think that's a testament to a career well served. And on behalf of the entire city of Fishers, we're grateful, Steve. Congratulations.
All Fishers fire stations and units stand by for a special announcement.
Dad, everything. So proud of you.
Attention all Fishers fire personnel. Division Chief Steve Davison has completed his last assignment. On behalf of the Fishers Fire Department, City of Fishers, and its citizens, thank you, Chief Davison, for your nearly 25 years of dedicated service as a Division Chief of EMS. The leadership you provided to the division has left a profound mark on EMS education, equipment, and innovation, ensuring exceptional pre-hospital medical care is delivered each and every day. According to the Hamilton County Public Safety Communications Center at 11:23.
It's been a pleasure. This has been my dream job. It's been a good run.
As a Division Chief of the Fishers Department of Fire and Emergency Services.
Division Chief of the Fishers Department of Fire and Emergency Services.
Congratulations, Chiefs Party.
Chief Davison, on behalf of everyone from Station 393, we want to say thank you. Thank you for everything you've done for us, this department, and the city of Fishers. Congratulations on your retirement, sir. You've earned it.
Chief Davison, Station 394 would like to say thank you and congratulations on your retirement. Thank you for many years of your leadership and guidance. You're truly going to be missed. We love you. Take care.
On behalf of Station 395, Chief Davison, we'd like to congratulate you on your retirement and thank you for the years of support, service, and leadership to the community as well as our department. God bless. Have a great retirement.
Chief Davison, on behalf of Station 396,
I'd like to congratulate you on your retirement. Best wishes in the future, Vernon.
Chief Davison from Station 397, thanks for your service and congratulations on your retirement.